this?
Yeah, oh yeah.
We can show you later on. It's very easy. So Annamay Kosh, basically the one of the characteristic of Annamay Kosh is it is constantly changing. Creation, destruction. We know in body scientifically. We know.
So cells तो continuously are
Exactly.
changing.
So that is one of the, it is visible, dependent, impure. We know it is impure because if we don't take shower every day, you know what will happen.
Yeah.
So we know it's impure. And it does not know itself. It doesn't have the capacity to know. So that's the Annamay.
So which part is of the body is Annamay?
ये पूरा
ये जो अपना शरीर दिखाई देता है
Inside the cells, metabolism
नहीं,
that's.
ये पूरा
ये जो अपना चमड़ी वमड़ी ये वो
bones, your skin,
But you're saying Annamay is also gross and then.
जो अन्न से उत्पन्न हुआ है, अन्न जो खाते हैं उससे उत्पन्न हुआ है।
फिजिकल बॉडी समझ लो ना.
Physical body is Annamay.
Yes.
And then the other one?
Other one प्राणमय.
So we have not come to that yet.
No, I have not come to that. So I was just saying.
We are still into Annamay, okay.
We are still into Annamay. So just to give clarity, and the pranamay, we already discussed panch pranas, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So that's what it's made up of. And we know that we discussed the whole pranas and how the energy, sun's energy comes through the nadis and all those things.
Yeah.
Just think of that.
So let's
that
recap the 5 pranas also. One is the breath and the other one is
Pan,
प्राणवायु, अपान वायु, समान वायु,
elimination,
अपान
yeah.
वायु,
digestive.
this thing,
Udan.
व्यान वायु.
Vyan or Udan.
So first is the breathing, the second is the throat, then is the third the digestive.
One
and then
was
is the
digestive.
sexual,
Then is
fourth,
the
and excretion. 5. Sexual and excretion. Elimination. Elimination.
व्यान वायु, I think is
One of them is which balances everything. You know, now I did it last time.
The
You have to
nadis
go
one.
back.
The
Nadis is the channels through which it flows.
Yes.
They are not like physically you cannot see them,
So
but subtle
breathing,
nadis are
digestion,
there.
assimilation, no, basically the metabolism
Yeah,
goes
it
all the
didn't
way.
exist in the
And
Western,
excretion and
this thing. But when,
reproduction.
when in Ayurveda and yoga they mentioned about it, then now they say meridian.
lines. The
They
nadis.
brought in the
Yeah.
word meridian into medicine to explain.
Okay. So,
So-
Anandmay, I think we all understood. Annamay, we all understood.
No, अन्नमय अभी प्राणमय अभी धीरे धीरे चल रहे हैं. फिर प्राणमय में there are, and what it is a vital principle or force that holds together body and mind. So that's another very very important function of the प्राण, because तभी बोलते हैं ना प्राण निकल गए. अपने वो इंडिया में बोलते हैं ना, that means that connection is broken. So प्राण is the one that holds together your body and mind.
Yeah.
Because at death the mind separates from the body. प्राण निकल गए. That's what. So that's one thing that we should. You know, there are certain points that if we remember, it will help us in our study. And then there is Manomay Kosh. Manomay is our mind. Okay? Mind at the level which brings all the information, at that level, it's Manomay Kosh. Not yet the Buddhi. Buddhi will be Vigyanmay
It's
Kosh.
basically data gathering. mind.
Data gathering and feelings and emotions and all that. So, and-
Storing of data.
Yes. So all that is mano. We know we have that, right? I cannot pinpoint where it is in me, but I know I have feelings. You know? So that portion is called manomay kosh portion. And it is very powerful because that's where the bondage and the liberation can happen. Means at that level is the one you might feel bound by the world, or you can break yourself through the sadhana. So that's why that is a very powerful part of our koshas. And the next one is Vigyanamay Kosh. the
And also
fourth
one more point I would like to also how a person becomes mad. It's a thin line between sanity and insanity. That's the mind, That's a very thin line.
I think the way they have given the example, which is a very good one, it's like the door knob. You can use that knob to open the door and go this way or that way. So the mind is like this. You can go liberation or your sanity, insanity. Just everything like it is a thin line in all of it. The mind has a capability of going either way. So that's why the main thing is to purify the mind in a spiritual sadhana also. So the Vigyanamay Kosh, the next one, fourth one, is the faculty which discriminates, meaning क्या सही है क्या गलत, क्या सही है क्या गलत. और वेदांत में डिस्क्रिमिनेटिव बुद्धि बोलते हैं कि कौन सी चीज नित्य है कौन सी अनित्य है. So to understand कि everything in the Annamay Kosh is anitya, everything, my house, my this, my family, everything is a transitory.
Temporary.
Whereas
That is Vivek.
Yeah, Vivek. Vivek is that's what the English translation Hindi would be, Vivek. And
Discrimination, yeah.
that's why I say when we were talking about Vairagya, remember? Vairagya means, detachment.
Yeah.
So they always say Vivek Janya Vairagya hona chahiye. Vairagya which is backed by Vivek, otherwise it will not last. किसी ने बोला भाई ये मत करो और तुमने ऐसे ही छोड़ दिया तो वापस आ जाएगा वो, पर क्यों नहीं करना चाहिए वो, अगर हम लोग करके करें फिर नहीं आएगा. That's what it is. So power of reflection and Chaitanya Buddhi, all those things are Vigyanmay Kosh. Now Anandmay Kosh. Now this is an important one because this relates to the deep sleep also. So Anandmay Kosh is the last one before the Atma. Just last one या first one बोलो. Nearest to the Atma. Because I said no layers हैं.
Yeah.
So Annamay was the last one. ये Anandmay is, and why it's called Anandmay? Because it is absolute bliss. But that bliss is actually contaminated by, agyan or avidya they call it. English में क्या बोलेंगे?
Yeah.
Ignorance.
Ignorance.
So that's why in the deep sleep we feel the bliss, but there is ignorance. We don't know anything, right? So just relate to that kind of stuff right now. But in meditation, the saints and sages, they get that bliss with knowledge.
Yeah.
There is no ignorance over there.
अब पर तो अगर तुम वो कोश में होगे, आनंदमय कोश में, तो आनंदमय कोश में ही हो, because you have risen from each.
That is in the waking state, but because we are doing this Mandukya Upanishad, we all also experience it, but in a different way. The पर्दा पड़ा हुआ है वहाँ पे. इसलिए हम लोग को जब हम लोग deep sleep से उठते हैं तो हमेशा हम लोग को, oh what a great sleep I had, like everything, the
Relax. The
bliss,
whole
there
body
is
is
some
relaxed.
bliss happens that we only realize after we wake up, whenever we get a very good sleep, because it is the closest to that soul at that time. Everything else is like, so that's what this Anandmay Kosh is. But it's a little bit tricky because it says that there is a Gyan over there, And this is...
Anandmay, they also say this, like everything has its nature, like the water has the nature to flow, fire has the nature to burn. So same thing, the Anandmay, the soul has, the nature of the soul is to be
blissful.
We always will strive towards blissfulness because that's the nature of,
In
the
fact,
nature of us.
yeah, what you said, somebody said it so nicely. They said, जो भी चीज जिससे से ओरिजिनेट होती है ना, उसी की तरफ ग्रेविटेट होती है. एक पत्थर तुम ऊपर फेंको तो वो धरती पे आके गिरेगा because this originated from there. Pani will always try to go back to the ocean.
Yeah.
So it flows downwards and in the end it will merge with the ocean. And then fire, where does the fire go?
Sun.
Upward because it's going to the sun.
That's
So
a good
that's
thing.
why, yeah. So our own nature is, like she was saying, is bliss. So we are always looking for that bliss. But
Because there's no other way.
No, we are going back to the origin. I think her explanation
वही
is
लाइन में खड़े हो गए, वही लाइन में. तुम चाहे नंबर 2 में हो या नंबर 5
Because
में हो,
हमारा
या
जो
number 7
अंदर-
में,
लेकिन
वही
हम
जो
लोग को
अपना
मालूम-
origin है ना, वहीं
वहीं हम
origin के
जाएंगे.
पास ही अपना
There's
bliss है.
no other way to go.
Yeah.
yeah, but
no other
no,
way.
this is what
You
happens.
have to find that bliss.
Exactly.
Where
We
it is,
we are looking in the wrong places.
Yeah.
We are looking
of course.
outside.
We are looking for a house, we are
Then
looking
you
for a
don't
husband,
have
we are looking
no
for
But-
relationships.
The
Yeah.
taste of it. Once you get the taste of it,
But there is a
When you run in
difference.
do all those things and still find bliss. It's not they say they are not saying you retire from everything.
No.
No. Let's understand that.
No, but we are placing importance on those things.
No, let me just give the right context in it.
Yeah.
Whatever bliss we get from the outside world, it is also coming from the same consciousness, okay? But that bliss is temporary. And that gives, in the end, it gives you agitation.
Yeah.
That's why the saint and sages say, अरे उस कचरे को छोड़ो, ये वाले को पकड़ो. Because you just think in sansar, kids, family, house, whatever. You buy the house, you're so excited, then there are 10 other problems come, or something is burnt or gone, and then we are all upset. So the bliss can only and only come from consciousness. And where do you feel the bliss? You feel within you. You never feel the bliss outside. That painting is giving me pleasure in my own mind. The painting doesn't have any,
Feelings, yeah.
Yeah, feelings of. किसी और को वो painting शायद बहुत बुरी लगेगी, Oh, what is this? But मुझे bliss दे रही है because it is inside I have consciousness inside and my agitation is down. That's why I'm getting the bliss. So that's we are looking for it always outside, but the Vedanta is saying, no, you have a स्रोत of bliss in you. Why don't you capture that? फिर तुमको वहाँ हो या नहीं हो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है. अगर तुमको $10 million मिल गया फिर तुम $5 के लिए बाहर थोड़ी भागोगे. That's what it's.
So it is inside, that is why meditation.
Yes, yes. So that's why I want to put that in the right context. Everybody, whatever you said is correct. That, it's not like outside
You
pleasure.
have to find it.
Yes. And even the sansar.
When your karma
We are all
खत्म होने
going.
लगता है
Yeah,
ना, तो
why we are
अपने
joined
आप
this
को
class? Because we
उसमें-
are looking for a permanent solution.
Yes.
And the thing is
Outside is
that when your
impermanent.
karma finishes, जैसे कर्मा हम लोग का वो सब खत्म होने लगता है तो वो तुम उस ओर जा ही रहे हो. That you have taken birth, वासना जैसे निकलती जाती है, all your desires that you are finished with, then you
No,
say,
but
"हाँ,
wait,
उसमें
there is
कुछ
one
मिला
technical
नहीं,
problem
ठीक है,
here.
But-
You saying that everybody is going, that's true, but there is a danger of regressing. That's what happens to people. That you accumulate more and more karma if you're not like, that Joe was saying that you if you don't do it in that mode,
Yeah.
right mode, you will then you will have 10 more janmas to worry about.
They tell the story of the rishi who was living in the jungle
oh,
and he fell in
deer
love with a
wala.
deer's baby.
Yes.
More than
Yeah, so that moh
He
हो
had
गया.
उसको उसने देखा वो गिर रहा है तो उसको उसने पाला. पाल करके जब वो समाधि में गया और
फिर उसको
छोड़ने वाला
deer
था,
बनना
उसको
पड़ा.
उसका याद आ गया.
Yeah.
2-3 जन्म और उसके ऐड हो गए उसमें. हाँ.
The last minute, whatever you think is very important.
So they are not saying, nobody is ever saying, do not enjoy something, do not take
Exactly.
care of
It's
family.
nothing. I said
It's an
you
attitude.
At-
Knowing that
attachment.
this is all temporary, everybody has God in it and all that. You have to shift your thinking. That's what it is. Otherwise, अर्जुन को क्यों बोलते तू फाइट कर अर्जुन तो बोला था मेरे को पेड़ पे जाके मेडिटेट करना है कृष्ण भगवान से यू आर नॉट रेडी फॉर इट तू पेड़ के नीचे जाके बैठेगा तुझे संसार ही याद आएगा उस वक्त सो सर्टेन थिंग्स वी जस्ट हैव टू डू
मतलब उसका वो राजा है तो उसका काम है कि मैं
Protect,
लड़ाई करके
yeah.
अपना वो लूं
Yeah.
ना कि पेड़ के नीचे बैठ जाऊं.
yeah. So I think that it's very important to know the right context. Otherwise, we misunderstand what Vedanta is saying.
That's why we say the prayer before, no? जो हम
Bhadrami,
ये
yeah.
किया
हाँ.
है और गुरु
Yes,
Yeah.
correct import of it.
we get the correct angle by which we have to look at it.
Yeah.
It's sort of
Right ears and right eyes.
Makes
It's a
your
very
mind
subtle,
less
this thing.
agitated.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you can.
That's the
concentrate.
whole idea. Yes. So this is like a close proximity to soul, and it's then there are in Vedanta some. I was reading about it. There are two more koshas, but they usually don't talk about it. One is a spiritual wisdom. So जब वो ये जो विज्ञानमय कोश एकदम प्योरीफाई हो जाता है ना तो वो स्पिरिचुअल विजडम बन जाता है और उसके बाद वो सत कोश when it is a merging happens with that. So usually they only talk about 5, but some people
Sat is
talk
the
about
truth, the
some.
ultimate truth is
Ultimate.
God. We have to.
Yeah. So I think that this was good that we reviewed what is kosha. So and now we can go to our last week's. Now you wanted to
तो
just
उसका मतलब कि वो एक्चुअली मुक्त हो गया था वो मतलब कि
कोश उसका डिजॉल्व मतलब वो परे चला गया कोश
हाँ
के
एकदम परे हो गया है वो.
जो बोलते हैं ना ट्रांसेंडेंट ट्रांसेंड डजंट मीन कि वो है नहीं है लेकिन उसको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा उससे मतलब उसको अंदर का जो ज्वेल है वो मिल गया है उसको Okay, so what did you want to review now?
I think we can just do all the 5 quarters that you.
So we can just, the first one was, let's see.
4 quarters.
First is,
Prakrama,
the first verse says that everything is Om, remember? Past, future, and all those. So we remember that. Second one said, this is verily Brahman. This Atman is Brahman. So mere andar jo Atma hai wo
Yeah, we can read
Brahman
the
hai.
English version.
And the Atma has 4 quarters.
Yeah.
Go to the third one now. Third verse, which says, the first quarter is Vaishwanara, remember? Whose sphere of
Yeah.
activity was waking state, who is conscious of the external world of objects. And that's where he says he has 7 limbs and 19 mouths. So 19 mouths is Panch Mahabhut, like 5, air, earth, and all those 5 things. And Panch Pranas we discussed, and 5 organs of action. And then mind has 4 parts. One Buddhi, Chit, Ankar. So that's 19. And then the 7 limbs he was talking about is in the macro, Samashti ke andar, there are Virat. विराट is, remember I said that कृष्ण भगवान ने विराट रूप दिखाया था, उसका डिस्क्रिप्शन है ये. So then he says the effulgent region is his head. This is on page 34 in my thing.
Hyderabad not here,
Agama Prakramam, verse 3. Verse 3. Verse 3. Look at verse 3. Agama Prakramam.
Yeah,
Yeah.
verse 3.
उसका ना वर्स 3 का काफी पीछे
Yeah.
बीच में पैराग्राफ एक है where he describes that what is that 7 limbs, because that's what you wanted to know.
What page are you on?
It's a verse
आपके में
3.
डिफरेंट होगा,
Verse 3.
Verse 3.
इनकी बुक अलग है.
वो हमारी और दोनों की एक है.
ओ एक है क्या?
हाँ, ये नई वाली जो है.
Jakrit
आपके पुराने
something.
16 ये verse 3.
Yeah.
उसमें ये पैराग्राफ में जाओ. The expression of 7 limb. It's almost like in the middle. Last में चले जाओ. 1, 2,
The
3,
sun is
4,
his eyes,
5.
the air is his vital breath, the space is the middle part of the body, and the water
His kidney, the earth is feet,
and Ahivarya, fire is his
fire
mouth.
is his mouth. छांदोग्य उपनिषद से लिया है ये 7 limbs.
हाँ,
तो उसका बेसिकली विराट का डिस्क्रिप्शन है,
विराट स्वरूप.
विराट स्वरूप का. ठीक है. सो उसके बाद है नंबर 4 वाज दैट वी डिड लास्ट, नहीं हमने, you were not here or not here when we did this one. The second quarter is the Tejas, sphere of activities, dream state.
No, I was not here.
Okay. So the first was waking, right?
Yeah.
फिर वो ड्रीम के बारे में बता रहा है क्या होता है. ड्रीम में बॉडी इज नॉट अवेलेबल टू यू. बॉडी इज टोटली स्टिल. You have no connection with the body, but the mind is active. So जो तुमने पिछले जन्मों में या इस जन्म में जो भी एक्सपीरियंस किया है वो एक स्टोर हुआ है माइंड में. वहाँ से कुछ थोड़ा सा इधर उधर से लेके और एक पिक्चर बना दिया जाता है मूवी की जैसा हम देख रहे हैं. सो मनोमय कोश इज एक्टिव. These are normal states. Now, Joe, when comes, he talks about many subtle things that happen there, like people get dreams, they travel, subtle. We are not talking about all that because those are siddhis people get, right?
And it's not worthwhile getting into
It's, and if he wants to talk about it, that's perfectly fine because it does happen. But for our understanding, the body is not available to us. Mind की level पे, because वो लोग जो travel भी करते हैं वो subtle body से ही travel करते हैं. उनका body तो वहीं पड़ा रहता है. So that's what we need to know. So that's another experience.
The dreamer.
And we are conscious of the internal world, not the outside world. And then the next one was, this we did last time.
Fifth one.
This is the state of deep sleep. ये थोड़ा सा complicated है. But the only thing we need to remember
Fifth
is
the deep sleep.
deep sleep में the body भी available नहीं है, mind भी available नहीं
Fifth one. This is fourth पे already done.
है. Switch off हो गया है. Body और mind, body की तो पड़ी है और mind का switch off हो गया है. So mind में usually सारी agitations तो mind में ही होते हैं. You know, वो सब शांत हो गया है तो healing शुरू हो गई and bliss है वहाँ पे and very important state. And it's called pragna. The word that they have used is pragna.
Now we're going to do this.
And then it also says it's a homogeneous mass of consciousness, meaning वहाँ पर कोई objects illuminate नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. It is just consciousness at a very, very seed level. That's what we did.
And this in the dream state only we merge with the consciousness. That's what it is.
What's that?
In the dreams, in this
In the deep sleep.
we merge with the consciousness. That's the.
See, the consciousness is
There's no
there.
mind and no body.
Let's another technical thing. Let's clarify over here.
Yeah.
Consciousness is there in all three states. Without that, we cannot live. Right? But at the deep sleep state, only the consciousness is there, but we are not aware of it. But it is so close, we are bliss. Dream state में the consciousness is projecting out. As a movie जैसे project हो रही है, थोड़ा सा बाहर निकला consciousness का projection. Then you are seeing the mental world. And waking world में is full. You know, because through our mind is totally awake and mind is an instrument. It's like electrical things. अगर मैंने switch off कर दिया तो electricity तो है wall में मगर उससे connect नहीं हो रही वो.
No, or we can say the consciousness we are seeing pervading everything in the stone or in the painting or in the sofa, where it's everywhere. So
We
seeing
are
that
become
conscious-
aware of it.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
We are seeing
become,
the physical manifestation of the
We're seeing-
consciousness.
through the mind.
Yeah.
The mind is active now. The senses are active because of the connection चालू हो गया उसका. वो स्लीप में कनेक्शन बंद हो गया था। लेकिन अब हम लोग ने वो डेथ की भी बात की थी ना, आई वाज थिंकिंग ऑफ द एनालॉजी, डेथ में किसी ने वायर ही काट दिया है, राइट? सो दैट्स अ गुड वे ऑफ थिंकिंग कि भाई वो है ही नहीं वहाँ पे, तो अगर उससे कनेक्शन पूरा ही खत्म हो गया, इसमें टेम्पररी खत्म हुआ है, स्विच है, उसको ऑन ऑफ
Deep
किया जा
sleep में।
सकता है। नहीं, जब हाँ डीप स्लीप में स्विच ऑफ हुआ है और वो डेथ में कनेक्शन टूट गया है, वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कहीं और चली गई।
Yeah, that's what they say when